going on, guys? We're back in the 335. It is that time to get it inspected. I finally got all of the monitors to say ready, except for one. Rhode Island allows one monitor to be incomplete. So I'm about to bring it down to my buddy's shop, and we're gonna try to get it inspected to see if it passes. If it passes, I'm gonna be super pumped, but if it doesn't, I'm gonna be pissed. So let's get down there. All right, we're on our way. Get this piece inspected. Oh my God, if this passes, I'm gonna be so happy. Can't wait. Alright, so we're at the place. I'm about to go inside, talk to them, and yeah, fucking get it inspected, hopefully. See what happens. See that? See that? So, awesome news. It fucking passed. I'm so excited right now. I cannot believe it passed. I managed to pass it with a JB4 still in and an MHD backend flash. I don't know how, but whatever. We had a problem initially because the JB4 is actually on, which is supposed to be off, so their computers couldn't communicate with the ECU. So we figured out that the JB4 is on, turned it off, brought it back, and it was all set. So we're fucking golden, dude. We're golden. All right, now that she has passed, plans for this car. One, we gotta do the limited slip diff. Two, the BTTO double shotgun kit. We're gonna put that in. I don't know what I want to do first. Can't decide. Three, I'm gonna get a retune with the double shotgun, and I'm thinking about vinyl wrapping it. So if you guys have any suggestions for colors for vinyl, let me know. Throw it down in the comments. Maybe we'll do like a poll to figure out what color to do. That'd be pretty sweet. But I hope this video provides some insight on passing inspection with your single turbo car, if you have one. I managed to do it. One thing that I had to do, which I'll show you guys how to do, I had to put my backend flash into TunerPro on the computer and actually turn on the monitors for the rear O2s and for the evap. The evap didn't work, so that doesn't matter. But my backend flash that was in the car didn't let the downpipe fix do anything, so I had to turn those on in order for it to work. And I did a drive cycle, and they went ready. And as soon as they were ready, I drove to the inspection place and got it inspected. So, fuck yeah, fuck yeah. Alright guys, real quick, I'm going to show you how I activated my rear O2s and my evap system inside of a tune. First thing you want to do is download TunerPro Studio. I downloaded that off the internet for free. Once we have that, you're going to go onto the internet. I'll put a link down in the description for n54tech.com. This is the MHD backend flash thread. When you're on this website, you're going to want to scroll down to the bottom and download the TunerPro XDF definition files. Once you have those downloaded, extract them somewhere onto your computer and go into TunerPro Studio. Click on XDF on the top, select XDF, and then go to the folder where you saved it, and click on whichever car that you have, whichever ECU, the i8A OS or the IJEOS or any of the other ones, whichever you have. I have the IJEOS, so I'm going to open that one. Once that is open, you can open up your tune. It's going to be a bin file, so I have all the backend flashes already downloaded onto my computer. So I'm going to go to File, Open Bin, and I'm going to click on the tune that I want to modify. So for this one, I'm going to do IJEOS E85 bin. Okay, now once that is open, you're going to go into the toggles, the parameter tree, diagnostic codes, and then you're going to want to activate 29F4, 29F5. Those are the two catalytic converters. And then 2A18 for the evap system. Now in order to activate them, see how this says 0? I just double clicked on that, came up with this little dialog box. Now I'm going to change this parameter to 56. Press enter and then save. Do the same thing for the cats, which are already activated. As you can see, they're saved 56. 0 means they're deactivated, 56 means they're activated. Now once that's all done, I would not mess with anything else in here unless you know what you're doing, because you know that's bad. This could mess up your engine if you do anything crazy with it. It is kind of cool though to look at the graphs of things. Look at that. I don't even know what that means. What does that mean? Somebody teach me how to tune. Anyway, once you're done with all your changes, save the bin file and then reflash your car with that bin. Once it is reflashed, you can run a drive cycle. There's a good example of a drive cycle right here. Cold start the engine for 2 minutes-ish. This checks secondary air injection, evaporative leak detection system. Accelerate to 20 to 30 miles an hour, maintain steady speed for 3 minutes, 15 seconds-ish. This establishes closed loop, oxygen sensor operation, response times, and switching times. Accelerate to 40 to 60 miles per hour, maintain steady speed for 15 to 20 minutes-ish. I didn't really do that long, but that's what it says to do. That evaluates a catalytic converter while the oxygen sensor response and switching times are checked. Finally, you decelerate, come to a stop, idle in gear for 5 to 6 minutes. This checks evaporative systems for leak again. Now, you want to remember, do not go over 3,000 RPMs, no large fluctuations in throttle, and maintain a speed lower than 60 miles per hour. If you do all this, you will get the readies for each monitor for the O2 sensors and everything, and that will help you pass inspection. I'll throw the link down in the description for both of these threads that I actually used to figure this out. They were definitely a great help. Thanks to Jeff at Top Gear Solutions for this one. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. We're going to be doing some crazy shit with this car that's coming up soon. Springtime, 700 horsepower. That's the goal so far. So, on stock injectors too. 700 on stock injectors, that'd be sick. Maybe some full E85. Who knows? But we'll see you in the next one.
And when I die, make sure you spread my blood on a BMW. And when I die, make sure you spread my blood on a BMW.